folks, and welcome back to the mountain. Yesterday we were fortunate enough to be able to harvest a wild turkey, and we've never had one up here before, so what we're going to do is we're going to cook that today for dinner. So come join us. What I've done is this has been sitting in a brine since last night. The brine is simply a gallon of water, a cup of kosher salt, a cup of apple cider vinegar, and some bay leaves, and that's pretty much it for the brine. And and we put in like a tablespoon or two of garlic too, because we put garlic in everything. So it's sitting in there. So now we're going to take it out, pat it dry, and we're going to put a little rub on it. The rub I made with garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, and a little bit of brown sugar. And here's my rub. And we're going to go ahead and put that on it. And then, of course, because it's me, we're going to wrap it all in bacon. Because I plan on putting this on the smoker, and that'll help keep it nice and moist. And it's bacon. It's got to be good. Bacon's good for everything. Don't ever forget that. Bacon, 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 bacon. Alright, so like I said, it's been sitting in this brine since last night. We're going to take these out, pat them dry. We're going to trim some stuff off them. Get all the feathers off. The extra feathers that are still on there. Got a few little pin feathers still. They'll come right off. That looks pretty good. And nice piece of breast meat. The tenderloin. Let's give these a quick rinse. That's half our bird right there anyway. That's the breast and the leg and the thigh. So we'll dig the rest out. Nice piece of breast meat with the tenderloin. Let's give it a quick rinse. We'll trim that off, the extra skin and feathers. Yeah, we'll have to trim all that stuff off. Got a few more pieces. Oh, now look at that one. Oh, nice tenderloin. That's the good stuff right there. That's the good stuff. Piece of the liver, another piece of liver, and the heart. Not for me. I don't like that stuff. Okay. All right, now we can move over to the island. So you can see our pieces of bird. We got the legs and thighs. We're going to separate those, and the two breasts. All right, so what I want to do, I want to trim off some of this stuff off these birds here, or this bird. So I'm going to start with this leg here. Get some of this skin off that I left on there. All right, now we get those off. I want to separate the thigh from the leg. It's like any other bird. You just find the knuckle, you break it, and you cut through. There. Now we have the thigh and the leg separate. And we'll do the same thing to this one. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our rub and we're going to put the rub all over these pieces. Let's get another plate to set them on. So now we have a leg. So we'll take that leg and we'll put rub all over it. And just get it in the meat. We're going to give the rub time to sit on it, on there, and soak in for a few minutes. Okay, now we can do a thigh. Dude, I've never done this before. I've never done turkey. It's a recipe our good friends Tina and Kelly gave us for this. Alright. Another leg. The last thigh. May have to make some more rub. That's okay. Piece of the breast. Yep, I'm gonna have to make some more rub, hey? Alright, so now you get to see how I make my rub. It's very, very simple. I put some garlic powder. Well, yay much. You see I don't measure much. A little bit of cumin. Smoked paprika. Or paprika, depending. Kind of mix that all together. Then we're going to throw some brown sugar in there too. Take our hand, kind of mix that all together, all nicely. Basically, we just got the two big breast pieces left. So we're going to go ahead and put the rub on those. I'm going to pat them down a little more. They're a little wet. I mean, that's good, but they're a bit too wet. There's one. There's the other one. And then this small piece here. The innards, we're not going to do those with the rub. We'll use this small piece. The rub all over him. Then we'll do our other two breasts. We'll do these this way. Okay. Alright, now we have our rub on all our turkey meat. Add these to the pile. I have to wash my hands again. Now we gotta do, we gotta wrap these all in bacon. Because everything's better with bacon. Yes, it is. It's better with bacon. Alright, so it's kind of warm out today for us northerners anyway. It's supposed to be like 92. I know for you people in the south that's like nothing, but for us that's quite warm. Alright, let's lay some bacon down. Do one more, maybe, and let's see. There we go. Yeah, it's going to be a turkey breast wrapped in bacon. I mean, honestly, what could be better? Harvested turkey wrapped in bacon. And that'll go on the smoker just like that. Let's do another one, shall we? Do, I'm cooking with bacon. Yes, I am. I'm cooking with bacon. You should too. I actually had a comment recently said, "You're annoying." Yeah, I am. I know. My wife tells me that all the time. Every day. So, I already know. Alright. I'm not trimming anything off these. I'm just going to wrap them up in bacon. We'll trim it as we eat it. This is all new to us. All new to us. You know, doing this channel has been wonderful. We've tried so many new things now. Wrap you right around like that. Wrap you right there. So, it's great. And, you know, I got a wild turkey. We're going to wrap it in bacon. Put it on the smoker. How awesome is that? Now, these little tenderloins, I'm going to wrap them too. We're just going to wrap one right around it. We'll just coil it around like that. And that should be just wonderful. We'll just do those like that. And we're going to let this all sit in the fridge and let all them flavors just meld together for a couple hours. It's going to be awesome, really. You know what? I changed my mind on these. I'm going to wrap them up right. Let's do them like that. Here's one. And two. Alright, let's lay out some more bacon for the legs. Not quite sure how these are. Look at that, we went through a pound already. Gotta love the bacon. Careful not to cut yourself there, Mordecai. Name the movie. Go ahead. Put it down in the comments. Alright, that should be enough for a leg. More than enough, actually. Yeah. Well, we'll just keep going. Why not? That might be a bit much. Or it might be just enough, who knows? There we go. That one's wrapped pretty good too. Now we just have the 2 thighs. There's 1 thigh. I'm going to keep these flat. I'm not going to fold them in or anything. That way they'll cook a little quicker along with the breasts. There we go. There is 1 wild turkey. It was brined overnight. I put a rub on it and I wrapped it all in bacon, and it'll all be going on the smoker later today. Along with these innards that I don't eat, but Dad likes them. So this is going to be covered up. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and you know what? The extra bacon, I like to put that on the smoker too, just in strips. That way I can snack as I'm cooking. So that's it, folks. That's what we're doing. We'll be back when we put them on the smoker. For now, I'm going to wrap it in cellophane, put it back in the fridge, let everything sit, and let all them flavors just meld together. So we'll be back. I was kind of rushed when I got home, and I had to get things on the smoker. Ooh, look at that smoke coming out of there. So we have 2 bacon wrapped turkey drumsticks, thighs, breasts. The we call them the tenderloins, but it's a part of the breast, that nice, that great part. We got some onions on there and the innards. So these will be on here an hour and a half or so, and then we'll take them out and we'll eat them. So I'll show you more as they're cooking. There we go. It's gonna be a really, really good meal, and something that we harvested from right here on the property. Can't wait to try it. Okay, folks, there it is, coming off the smoker. There's the turkey and the onions. We're going to give this a try. I think it's going to be pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try a piece of the tenderloin. I haven't tried this at all yet. Joey tried a piece and she really liked it, so now I'm going to try it. In the words of Cousin Eddie, that is good. Okay, we can do this. Now it's dinner time. All right, folks, so we had that turkey, and it
was good.
It's phenomenal. For years I've said I don't like wild turkey. Well, I was wrong. It's awesome.
It was awesome.
If it's butchered right and cooked right, it's really good. And it was really good. So yeah, we will be turkey hunting more in the future, eh?
Definitely.
I suggest you try it. Go out and try it. If you have friends that get a turkey and they invite you for some, try it. Granted, it's got to be butchered and cooked right. Ours was. Not to blow me on horn or something. We did have help. Thank you, Tina and Kelly.
Thank you, guys.
But it was awesome. So with that, we're going to close the video.
All right. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you know when we're doing another video. And as always, from the mountain, God bless.
Good night, folks.